Hello everyone, welcome to Nails of Interest. By now you've seen me do these nails. Hopefully things are a lot brighter today. I've got my new nail lamp in. And a lot of people seen these nails on Instagram and wondered how I achieved that. So I will go over that with you. This is a thermal change polish under. Warning you, I'm getting out my little flexi finger, my training finger. So if you're spooked by those, just step away. So here's my flexi finger. I already have base gel on here. I'm getting out some Modelones gel polish. This is number 8324. I swatched out earlier this year, and this is how it normally looks in the cool state. And this is two coats, two nice good coats like most people would apply it. I've only got one coat on here, and I will show you how I did that. I hope you like my little fall decor here. Always I stir my gels up just because they've been sitting out a few months. So my fall stuff got on there. And I like to apply color down here first. That's just how I do it. And then I push it up close to the cuticle. And you draw it out as flush as possible. Get it on your skin, remove that. I wouldn't touch that to my skin. See how it's all nice? As you work with it, just let it sit. Of course, if this is a human, you would cap your free edge. You just let that sit. And then I will cure this for 30 seconds and be right back. This is what it looks like in the warm state. It's kind of a shimmery gold. I'm not sure what you would call that color, but it cools off to that burgundy-ish color. And then I take their diamond gel. This is from an earlier kit that I bought. It's 3513. I will try to link these below. This is from a video that never got posted live yet. It came with a starter kit. These are gels. Let me show you on a nail by itself first. These just look like they are a clear gel with glitter in them. You just apply it however you want. You can just do it to your regular nail, or you can layer it on. You can tap it out, make glitter wherever you want glitter to be. There's going to be a very translucent base to it. You would cure this, or what I really like to do with them, again, stir them up. I like to use them as a topper on another gel. And that's what I did with my right hand. I simply applied it. If there's not enough glitter for your liking, you can add more coats. You can tap it on like this. Since it's gel, it will self-level. And gel's a gel. We tend to call these gel polishes, but I believe they're just gels without the body of a gel. Hard gel, sculpting gel. So look at all that hollow. Let me cure. And you will see in my manicure what's left of it. I did put a SheModern decal. I used the matte gold koi fish and the light green leaf and some little, from the nail candy shop from Ariel's Treasure, some little blings. So let's see what we can do with that. While that's curing, I'll go ahead and prep my water decal, water slide decal. Everybody's got their own word for it. So remember, keep these labeled. You don't want to have a mishap in your home, no problem. Normally you'd wet the nail. I like to just let it dry, stick it to the tacky layer. Don't let it dry on your fingernail too much. You can reposition it as you like. Since this is 99% alcohol, I like to just take a stiff brush and dissolve away any borders. You can push it down. See right here? It dissolves it away like this was acetone. And you can kind of melt any borders. If it was too big for your nail, you can do that as well. I'm touching it now to make the color change for you. This alcohol seems to be cooler than the rest. So I do that. Let that all dry up, goody dry. Then at first, I had just put some top coat on, and then added my bling, but I'm going to do both. Just got a little bottle of Modelones top coat. And I still like to do the end of my nails first. That's just me. You can smooth it all out as you go. I've never had a running into my cuticle problem, but if you do, just wipe it off with a brush, just like with regular polish. This is out of the way. You don't want to get water in your gel bottle. And let me just get a few goodies out of, this is Ariel's Treasure Chest, or Ariel's Treasure from the nail candy shop. Let's just pick out some goodies. I won't do exactly like I did. Place it right, we could do it right here. Place it right into that gel. That's fine. I use that. Chest of stuff like this. Yep, those two fit. So we'll just take this, right side up, please. Place it wherever you want it on your nail. Try not to get the gel on your skin. If you need to, you can always bend these to the curvature of your nail. Just bend them over the end of a dotting tool. That's what I do. I place the little gem. Cure this. I decided to get one out to show you how you can bend it to your C curve of your nail. Just put it over top of the end of your tool and just bend it down into place a little bit. That's what I did with these. I'll show you later how I did these nails. They're getting ready to be redone already. Just didn't have time to film it. So what everyone else does, if this just the cheapy stuff, I just go right over it with my top coat. But we'll pretend this is the good stuff. Everyone suggested to me that you just go around it with your top coat. I'm practicing for using my Swarovskis. Thank you, my dear friend, Growling Cheetah, for sending those to me. So for real gems, you want to go around it just to secure them in place. I forgot to do this other gem up here. So just put a little bit of top coat around. Cure that again. Okay, that's the finished look. It's the same as I've got on my hand, just a little variety added to it. Just with your regular base gel, your gel polish color, your gel color, the Modelones Diamond toppers. You can see in the back that you can see the little glitters in there. Some little SheModern foils and a little bit of treasure, Ariel's Treasure from the nail candy shop. You'll always be able to find the nail candy shop links below. SheModern and now Modelones. I'll be putting their link below. Very cute. Well, thank you for sitting here with me today and sharing in how I created this manicure on my hand. Thank you all very much. Have a great day. Till next time, you be you and I'll be me. Bye-bye.